Today, let's dive deep into the wonderful world of introverts. Yes, you heard me right. We introverts can totally rock the networking game like a boss. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can introverts even have a conversation without turning into a socially awkward one? Well, my friends, I'm here to prove that we not only can, but we can also slay at it. I am your living example. In this video, I am going to share my top 3 strategies that I always use whenever I need to go for networking, whether on a one-to-one or an event networking sessions. Strategy number 1, I embrace my inner Sherlock Holmes. Yes, that's right. I put on my detective hat and do some research on the event or person I am going to network with. We introverts love being prepared, don't we? When I'm meeting a person to network, usually I will look at their LinkedIn page and see whether there is a common thing to talk about or has there been any recent win or update from them. We can use this as a conversation starter. This kind of conversation that connects true passion makes it more natural, enjoyable, and totally not scary. So it's a win-win. And then when it comes to an event networking session, I will see the event schedule and take note when the networking session is going to be. If it's a conference event and there's a networking session in between, I will ask what are some of the takeaways that they got from the previous speaker. Strategy number 2, I aim to network to only 5 people. When I used to bring physical name cards, I didn't bring the whole box. I only bring 5 name cards and aim to network up to 5 people. Sometimes I only get to network with 3 people instead of 5, and that is totally okay. But basically, my max is 5. So if you're introvert and new to networking, set a number for yourself to network before you go to that networking event. Talking about name cards, recently I bought one good card, a name card where you can tap on any NFC device. Once you tap, your details will come out. Your name, email, contact number, what you do. Basically, you can customize this page. Even with this, I still keep to that network up to 5 people. And the best part is I don't have to keep reprinting my name card. So if you're interested in getting your own one good card, I've linked it in the description below. Strategy number 3, I focus on the power of body language. No, I am not suggesting you to do any dance move at a networking event unless you are into that. Instead, focus on open and friendly body language. No crossed arms, no hiding in the shadows, and definitely no hiding under the table, okay? Stand tall, smile, and radiate those introverts vibes. You got this. So there you have it, my introverted warriors. We can master the art of networking while staying true to our introverted souls. Remember, it's all about preparation, finding a common ground to talk about, rocking that body language, and the number of people you aim to talk to. Now go out there and conquer the world, one conversation at a time. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. In the meantime, watch this video and learn how to position yourself strategically in the digital space. See you in the next one.